What if I told you the person you sleep with can quietly change your entire life? Not emotionally, not romantically, but practically. Your focus, your energy, your direction. Ever felt drained after being with someone? No reason, just off? That's not random. Every connection is an exchange. Mindset, habits, energy. And if you keep choosing the wrong people, don't be surprised when your life starts going the wrong way. So ask yourself, are they building you or slowly draining you? Be honest. You already know. Full video is on my YouTube channel. Check the link in the comments.